Welcome to TreeTrail at Woodlands. This is a cluster of 6 blocks comprising of 418 4-room flats and 234 5-room flats. Having obtained TOP in 2016 and MOP in 2021, TreeTrail is a popular choice among many first-timers as well as upgraders. Hello everyone, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee AAG division. Thanks for watching my video. Today, I'm excited to show you a 5-room flat at TreeTrail that is nicely renovated, yet with good potential to further enhance the layout to maximize use. Are you ready?
Let's begin by looking at the floor plan of this 5-room flat, which stands at 1,216 square feet or 113 square meters. Overall layout is squarish and functional with little unusable space. As you can see, the living and dining halls are spacious and separated apart, giving you well-defined area. You can either keep the layout as it is to enjoy the luxury of space, or you can build an additional room here or here to make a study or a guest room. Kitchen is equally spacious with cabinets on both sides, allowing you more storage spaces. This also means more people can prepare meals together. This is combined with a service yard for your laundries, which is especially practical as it isolates your laundries when you cook. The first common bedroom is spacious too and can easily accommodate a bunk bed plus a baby cot or a double bed. The second common bedroom has been combined with the master bedroom to form one huge room. This formation gives you more than enough wardrobe space, yet there is still ample room to put in an extra single bed for the kid. If you need more bedrooms, you can always build a partition wall to separate the two with minimal disruption. Both the master and common bathrooms are of very good size, allowing you comfortable privacy when you need it. Last but not least, the household shelter is well positioned so as not to obstruct the layout, giving you freedom to let loose your creativity to design and decorate a new home. Now that we have seen the unit, let's move on to see the amenities. At TreeTrail, we are actually surrounded by amenities. Just a short 3 minutes walk away, we have the 888 Plaza, where you can find all your daily essentials. The Woodlands MRT station and bus interchange, as well as the Causeway Point shopping mall, are about 12 to 15 minutes walk away. Whereas Kampong MRT and the MRT station is about 15 minutes walk away. For parents with young children at home, you'll be glad to know that we are surrounded by 7 primary schools within 1 kilometer. Namely, Woodlands Primary, Woodgrove Primary, Woodlands Spring Primary, Tihua Primary, Evergreen Primary, Admiralty Primary, and Siling Primary. Therefore, as we can see, TreeTrail is indeed very conveniently located with amenities within easy reach.
So I hope you like what you see today. If you do, scan this QR code, get in touch with me, and we can arrange for a viewing in person. Once again, I'm Mark Lim, OrangeTee AAG division, signing off. Cheers!